Hey guys, welcome back to Kemai Reaction for another live reaction video. Hi! Hey guys, so this is gonna be a long video, about like 35 minutes, and I think this is the right one I found. For the group RBD, this is basically the Walmart soundtrack 2006 performance that they did. So hopefully this is the video, but like I said, this is like 30 something minutes, so I'm gonna sit here for 30 something minutes to react to this video to get it out to you guys. So hope you guys enjoy it. Oh, who's playing that guitar? Okay. Oh, that sounds so sexy. Yes, Chris. Oh, this must be in the beginning of the show RBD, because they look, from the picture I've seen, this is how they look on the show. Yes. You really do look good with blonde hair. I said that before in their earlier videos. Yes, bald head.
Es tan sencillo que no sé cómo explicar nuestro amor, nuestro dulce amor. No sé cuánto tiempo dure el amor, pero hoy.
Yes, Alfonso.
Nada mejor. Y es así, así es, y no hay nada que hacerle.
That man looks so good. I was lurking through his Instagram page. Oops. I really do love her red hair. This video. Yes, Chris. Oh, he looks so good in pink. I really do need to stop being single. Go find me somebody. I think it's time. That person who was playing the guitar almost looked like one of my coworkers. I wonder if that's him. My only critique in this is, because I know they performed the song after that multiple times, this performance of the song is very lackluster to the other versions I've seen of it, but this is very good. But like I said, I think this is around the time Rebel Day was still on TV. But I do love it. It's amazing me. They age well. They age well. You know, they say black don't crack. Well, I have to say these Latinas and Latinos don't crack. So they age really well. They always give us live band. I'm gonna give them that. That's my only negative critique, is that the earlier performance from what I'm seeing in this one is very lackluster. But compared to what they did now, which shows you that they improve, because you know most artists will perform 2006 and then you see them now You're like, what you been doing for 10 years? Nothing. But I really do like it. I still have what 25 more minutes to go.
O parecer que te imaginas, no me puedes ser la dueña de tu vida. No me miras, baby. Mucho yo intenté por levantar la voz, por despertar el interés.
Oh, and Chris looked real good in that pink.
Que te hagas mío, baby. Que tal vez ese día nunca me suceda. Pero en mis sueños siempre has de estar como una luz que me ilumina y al despertar quiero volverlo a intentar. Yo sé que el corazón late más fuerte, más que un motor, y es que no sabes nada de mí.
Okay.
Te aprende a cantar amor.
I really do like that guy who playing that guitar.
Cuando lo logré y me acerqué a ti, me congelé, me quedé matada. No dije nada, baby. Otro día que me convencí de hablar, te vi pasar con otra muy contento. No era el momento, baby. No sucedió que estoy loca, tan enamorada.
Okay.
Pero en mis sueños siempre has de estar como una luz que me ilumina y al despertar quiero volverlo a intentar. Yo sé que el corazón late más fuerte, más que un motor, yo que no sabes nada de mí. Un día te habré de alcanzar, amor. Pasar sin hablar
Yes.
es un sufrimiento. Te parece de pronto cuando te pienso volando a mi lado, colgado de un sentimiento. Cortan los días que pasé fuera en el intento. Volverlo a intentar.
Okay, that was good. That was a nice one.
En mis sueños siempre has de estar como una luz que me ilumina y al despertar quiero volverlo a intentar. Yo sé que el corazón late más fuerte, más que un motor, yo que no sabes nada de ti. Nunca te habré de alcanzar, amor. En mis sueños siempre has de estar como una luz que me ilumina y al despertar quiero volverlo a intentar. Yo sé que el corazón late más fuerte, más que un motor, yo que no sabes nada de mí.
What is that church thing in church again? The tambourines, that's what it's called? The dude back there with it.
O parecer que te imaginaste, o parecer que te imaginaste.
Okay. Okay. Oh, show me his face. Oh, I want to see his face.
Mi amor, I'm not sure of the right words to say. Maybe these simple words will just best explain what I feel in my heart, what I feel for all time. Oh, how to make you see, how to let
So I'm guessing this is a solo part.
how to say how I love you so. With words you understand, words that get right through to your heart. Here's a place to start to amor.
Tu amor,
Love away.
tu amor. Yes.
To me, estarás siempre en mi corazón. You're the one
Oh, he playing the hell out of that guitar.
With each look in your eyes, baby, these simple words will best describe what I feel in my heart, what I feel for all time. Oh, how to make you see, how to let you know, how to
I have two screens, one here and one here.
you so. With words you understand, words that get right through to your soul.
Come on, hold that note, sir.
Words to let you know.
To amor, to amor.
The world to me estarás siempre en mi corazón. You're the one in my soul, and I live for tu amor.
I really do like my coworker Dave on the guitar though.
Believe me, these words I say are words that go straight from my heart. How do I make you believe nothing else is too much? That's what you meant to me.
Yes. Oh, what did he say? What is she saying to my man? She's getting too comfortable. Oh, now I need to watch Exorcist. Okay, he was really good at that one. Want me a priest? Mama.
World to me estarás siempre en mi corazón. You're the one in my soul, and I live for.
Oh, that was nice, Chris. I like that. I like that Christian. I like that one. I like that. Ooh. To amor. To amor. Oh. Amor.
Estarás siempre en mi corazón.
Come on, backups. Okay, Mr. Baldhead. Yes, I like him, Mr. Baldhead. I'm calling him Mr. Sparkles. That shiny head. Ooh, y'all lucky I love y'all if you have me sitting here 30 minutes. Yes. Yes, Alfonso. Yo, he had a new instrument too. Okay. Show me. I want to see his face. The cameraman is saying this is not about them. This is about RBT.
Me abrazas, me hielo, me pides un beso y yo me quedo sin respirar.
Solo espera un momento. Solo dime, no es cierto. Solo quédate en silencio. 5 minutos, acaríciame un momento. Ven junto a mí, te daré el último beso. El más profundo, guardaré mis sentimientos y mi beso de ti.
Yes.
Tengo tanto miedo.
Oh,
y
he
es que
cute.
no comprendo que fue
That's- even the bands look good. Okay.
hecho mal.
Me abrazas, me hielo, me pides un beso y
girls, you better sing.
Sin respirar, solo espera un momento. Ahí solo dime que no es cierto.
Solo quédate en silencio, 5 minutos, acaríciame un momento, ven junto a mí, te daré el último beso, el más profundo, guardaré mis sentimientos y me iré lejos de ti. Dame tu mano, devuélveme el aire, di que me amas, que no eres culpable, por lo menos un momento, dime que esto no es cierto, solo quédate en silencio.
Okay, Alfonso, that was you. Okay, with the bass.
Acaríciame un momento,
With the bass. Okay. Yes.
el último beso,
Quedará el último beso.
guardaré mis sentimientos y me iré lejos de ti. 5 minutos, acaríciame un momento, ven junto a mí, te daré el último beso, el más profundo, guardaré mis sentimientos y me iré lejos de ti.
Okay. Okay. Meow. Okay. At first, I'm pausing right there. At first, I thought, I was like, why do they dress like this? Like, why do they dress like this? But then I remember Kimari, they're part of the show Rebelde. They were teenager, they're dressing apart. Get it? And also, you know, in 2006, I was a freshman in high school, an innocent little birdie, stepping into the world of teenagerism and about to be adult in 4 years. That was me. So 2006, I was in high school. And in 2006, me being in high school, what was I doing? I was such a nerd. I was innocent. I didn't start doing anything risky until I was 21. Yes, I waited. But anyway, let's get back. Enough about me, more about them. One thing I know, I just miss college. Ooh, if I could go back and do them 4 years. Okay, okay, so this one is gonna be a ballad. Oh, he better play that piano. She's cute, but I don't like straight hair on her. Oh, I lied. It's not a ballad. Come on, Chris, with the energy. Oh, there he go, his face. Oh, he's a handsome guy. With his bald head. One thing, when they perform this song, they sound just the same energy. So I misspoke earlier. Yeah, show me his face, yes. Oh, look at that.
Otro país, el intento de una carta, una historia y muchas ganas de poder vivir.
Okay, she's feeling herself. Okay, girl, you better feel it. Yes, go drummer. I like this rendition of the song.
Primera vez, amigos, que lo he vuelto a ver. Dando tras de mí, una canción a todos de mí. Dando tras de mí, una guitarra y mi escuela y mi primera vez, amigos, que lo he vuelto a ver. Se van quedando tras de mí, las fotos del primer amor, recuerdos de mi habitación, se van quedando tras de mí.
Cute. Yes, yes, guitar. That was good. That was good. So I'm thinking this is just like a recording session then. 10 more minutes. YouTube, no, I don't do commercials.
Las vacaciones se hicieron para salir de viaje.
Okay, come on with this Spanish Latino commercial. Okay, I will
En los
watch.
últimos 6 meses, como en un verbo.
Yes, come through with the commercials.
Donde puedas estar en la alberca
No, I'm hungry.
después del lunch. Sin importar el tipo de viaje que quieras.
Oh, that's a
con tu
nice
familia,
house.
Encuéntrala en verbo.
Okay, Verbo. Verbo for the people. Okay, I'm gonna watch that commercial and I'm gonna leave it in the video. I love her red hair. Oh, there you go with the bald head, Mr. Sparkles. Oh, this is a solo. Okay. Oh, the dark hair too. Oh, he's really handsome.
Nada puede detenerte si tú tienes fe. No te quedes con tu nombre escrito en la pared, en la pared. Si censuran tus ideas en valor, no te rindas nunca, siempre alza la voz. Lucha fuerte y sin medida, no dejes de creer. No te quedes con tu nombre escrito en la pared, en la pared.
Yes.
No pares, no pares, no pares nunca de soñar, no pares, no pares, no pares nunca de soñar, no tengas miedo a volar, vive tu vida.
Yes, move those shoulders. Yes.
Construya muros en tu corazón. Lo que hagas siempre, hazlo por amor. Lucha fuerte.
quererte y sin medida. No hay nada que perder. No te quedes con tu nombre escrito en la pared.
Yes.
No, no, no pares, no pares, no. No pares nunca de soñar, no pares, no pares, no. No pares nunca de soñar,
No.
tengas miedo a volar. Vive tu vida.
No.
Si censuran tus ideas, ten valor. No te rindas nunca, siempre alza la voz.
No.
Pares, no
No.
pares nunca de soñar,
No.
pares,
No.
pares, no,
No.
no. Vive tu vida, no,
No.
pares, no,
No.
pares, no.
No.
No pares nunca de soñar,
cute.
no pares,
It's cute.
no pares,
No.
no pares nunca de soñar,
No.
no
Pares, no.
miedo a volar. Vive tu vida. Oh, yeah. No pares nunca de soñar. Oh, yeah. Vive tu vida.
Yes. You know, the LGBT community.
Writing's not that easy, but Grammarly can help. This sentence
Well, I guess
is
since-
grammatically correct.
I use Grammarly at work anyway, so. Yeah, so who's next? Who's next? Who's next? Give me more.
Es tan mágico como todo pasó.
Okay, sister.
Amor,
Estamos.
nuestro dulce amor.
Woo!
Jamás nos imaginamos que de repente empezó a tener mucho éxito dentro de México, ¿no? En toda la República Mexicana.
Hopefully
Empezamos a vender discos
someone
y todo,
can
y de
translate what
repente,
she's saying to me. Thanks so
desde
much.
En Colombia, en Brasil, ahorita ya en España, yo creo que esas son las sorpresas más grandes, que de repente ya está cruzando lenguaje, está cruzando fronteras, ya estamos en otro continente, ¿no? En España, en Rumania está saliendo ya la novela.
Ooh, baby
Estamos
daddy Alfonso.
en Israel, estamos muy contentos y muy emocionados y no deja de sorprendernos, cada vez es más y más, y eso es lo que nosotros tenemos que estar bien conscientes para seguirnos preparando y darle todo eso que la gente nos ha dado, regresárselos.
Y es así, así es, y no hay nada que hacerle. Y es así, así es así como sucede nuestro amor.
Bueno, yo creo que es muy importante siempre saber y tener muy presente que eres una persona como cualquier otra y que las cosas más cotidianas son las que te van llenando y alimentando cada día, ¿no? Para que puedas mantener los pies en la tierra y a la vez...
So I'm gonna end it right here then. I'm gonna end it right there. Because they just go into talking and stuff. So that was like 26 minutes of me watching the Walmart soundtrack in 2006. Thanks to the one who recommended to it, and thanks to the one who let me know react to the damn performance, and I did. So now it's the Rio one and the Hollywood one I need to sit down to, which is an hour and 30 minutes for both. But this was the soundtrack. I really do appreciate it. I really enjoyed this. Like I said, my only critique is just the performance back then, 2006. It wasn't high energy as on stage in Rio or in Hollywood, but I could understand. This is just like a record session, live band, and it sounded really good because the vocal ability from the Walmart soundtrack on stage sound the same. Vocal ability, the live instrument and everything, it sounds the same, which shows you lip singing, not so much. Lip singing is not too much in their vocabulary, which is very good. I really do like it. I'll say it over and over again. I do make jokes about it, but I really do enjoy this group, the Christian. the black hair girl, the redhead, the wavy beach blonde hair, Baby Daddy Alfonso, and College Boy Chris. I really do like this group. I really do like it. So thanks to the one who recommended me react to this. I really do appreciate it. And hopefully you guys also sit here and watch this 30-minute video. 30 minutes. And I really do appreciate it. I really do appreciate it. I wished they could just give the fans one more live performance of all of them there. So that'd be very good and nice to see. As always, whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section. And I'll get to it as soon as possible. As always, who can do you besides you? I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.